Serving a food to a plate for the guest with a fork and a spoon. In some restaurants, we bring the food to the table in a food tray or just in a pan, and you have to serve it for the guest. For example, Tafelspitz, we put the plate, empty plate in front of the guest, and we have to serve him the meat, the sauce, and some side dishes. How we do? This is the plate, the guest is sitting here. You go from the left side. This is your Tafelspitz. May I serve it for you? Ask the guest. If he says yes, you serve it for him. First of all, I will show you from up close how you catch this, but you have to learn to take the fork and the spoon from the plate with one hand, because the other hand already is busy, and make the setup. That's how we do. May I serve you? Yes. Imagine if you cannot do it. You don't want to do this in front of the guests. You take it and you set it up right away. Then your plate goes as close as possible to the plate of the guest. As close as possible. You don't do it from here and try to take this, because all the sauce is gonna fall on the tablecloth, and you don't do it from up, because if you take the meat and you try to put it down, some particles will fall down on the plate, splash all over the freaking guest, and it's gonna be a mess. So what we do is as close as to the table, to the plate, and then you go for the meat. You put meat in front of the guest, maybe some sauce for him, and then if there's a potatoes or anything like that, you turn the fork and you grab the potato and you put it in front of him. If it's just something that's flat like a meat or anything, you can keep the fork like that, go for it. But if it's a potato, don't try to take it like that, because this is not sleazy, but the potato is sleazy, and when you push it, it's gonna fly out of the spoon and it's gonna hit somebody in the face. So if it's a circle thing, it's a sleazy, you turn the fork, you take it like that, and you put it on a plate. You don't put everything. You leave something in the food, you put one piece of meat, some garniture, and then you just leave the plate on the table next to the guest. Fork and spoon also, so he can serve the second, or you can come back and serve him the second part, and you just step back. That's all it is. If you get a job on the cruise line, most of the time all the food is on the food tray, the plates are in front of the guest. You go to the kitchen, you say, I have 18 guests. They put 18 main courses on this tableau. Okay, this is a little bit smaller, but let's say 10 go here. And you have to go in front of the guests and put the food on the plates for every single guest. So, first of all, you have to have a strong hand, and second, you have to be really good with this. So you can work quick, put some meat, turn the fork, put some potatoes, and move to the next guest. Again, from the left side, tableau as close as possible to the plate, and just keep serving. See when I turn. So, very important. Plate for the tableau. You should be able to take this and set it up right away for you, so you can work with it really quickly. And don't forget, if you take a potato, to turn the fork like that and take it. Pretty much that's all you need to know right now for the tray service. Don't forget, very close to the plate, as slow as possible, and just serve it easy and efficient.